Rafter P Construction is the design-build contractor for all of your construction needs. Quality and customer satisfaction will always remain our top priority. The American dream has inspired the Rafter P team to push to be community leaders and support the local youth because that is our future.
Hey guys, we got an awesome project for you this time. So this is called the Bentley's Reconditioned Barndo, named after their dog, Bentley. But once you see the inside and outside of this Barndo from the before and after pictures, you're gonna be absolutely wowed. So let me take you inside of this thing and we'll show you what's going on. So we'll start with the kitchen. When we first walked in here, before we ever kind of broke ground on this place, you know, it was definitely a place that kind of needed some renovation. What we kind of did was come in, redid some countertop space, redid the cabinets, put some glass in the cabinets, new appliances, new floors, kind of completely renovated the first floor. So as you kind of walk through the first floor, you'll be able to see where we kind of opened some spaces up and also took advantage of what they already had and added some new attributes to the existing structure. The space we're walking into now was actually an open porch when we first got there. So what we did was enclose that space in, added porches to it, and kind of gave it some appeal to where when you're walking into the structure, it's not a metal building whatsoever. You're looking to a grand entry, and in my opinion, it kind of looks like a, you know, almost an art museum as far as how much details the owners and ourselves put into the creativity of this project. Walking into the front door, we've got the false wall there that kind of breaks up the living space from the entry foyer area. Really gave some dimension to the house, and I think that's kind of what the trend's going to now is that false wall that kind of breaks that living space up from the front door. As you look at the fireplace, it's kind of more of an abstract concept versus a traditional style. The stonework is absolutely amazing. It's a double-sided fireplace with a stone mantle. Definitely going to be an attraction during the wintertime. As you kind of walk around, as you'll notice, the paint colors in this house are a little bit abstract, and that really fits in with the characteristics of the homeowner's design. The final product also included some wallpaper and some murals and stuff like that, and that was awesome. As we kind of finished the project and our superintendents helped them achieve exactly what they were looking for in the build. You'll see the wallpaper on the back side of this toilet wall, oranges and leaves with the orange paint on the walls, and obviously you don't see that every day, but it really turned out well. Brand new doors, brand new flooring throughout. The shelving just gave a lot of space to be able to store stuff, and that's kind of what they're looking for. As you move upstairs, what we did in the upstairs is basically did a complete repaint and new carpet flooring. Did a little bit here and there, but the layout that they already had upstairs was sufficient for what they were wanting, so we really didn't change a lot. But just a little bit of touch-up paint, touched up and redid the floors and all the paint, trim, stuff like that. So it definitely brought a new life to this existing house. Kind of move into the master, and it's just a very wide open space. I mean, you're sitting on 100 plus acres in the middle of the country. I mean, you definitely want the windows to be able to show you kind of what you're living around, and they absolutely live in a beautiful property. Going to the master closet, I mean, it's basically a bedroom in itself, but I don't think that she's gonna have a problem filling this closet up whatsoever. So all in all, this is a very fun project from start to finish. Whenever we first showed up, there was definitely hope in the project, but we had no idea how awesome this project would turn out. So if you need something like this done for your own project, or you have something that you'd like us to kind of revamp for you, give us a call.